Exposing the mind-bending reality behind the observer effect. Why does looking at a quantum particle make it act differently? Let's break it down. In the strange universe of quantum physics, particles like electrons don't have a single set path or position until we look at them. Seriously, when unobserved, they exist in all possible states at once, like being everywhere and nowhere. But the moment we measure or observe them, boom, suddenly they choose one spot, like a coin landing on heads or tails only when you peek. This is called the observer effect, and it's not just science fiction. Our act of measuring forces the quantum particle to make up its mind. Why? Because in the quantum world, the act of observing is an interaction. It changes the very thing we're watching. That's why, in science, how you look at something can matter just as much as what you're looking at. So next time you study an experiment, remember your observation isn't passive, it shapes reality.